person who invented the miniature circuit breaker is truly a genius. If you connect many high-power electrical sockets simultaneously, they may burn out, which can be quite dangerous if you're not careful. At this point, the miniature circuit breaker proves to be very useful. Miniature circuit breakers are abbreviated as MCBs. In the 19th century, when household electricity began to gain popularity, MCBs did not exist, so fuses became an essential device for protecting circuits. As the current rises to a certain level, the fuse will melt due to the high temperature, thereby cutting off the current. However, after each failure, a new fuse must be replaced. Therefore, in 1923, a genius engineer invented the miniature circuit breaker, which will automatically trip whenever the circuit is overloaded. So, how does it work? Upon disassembling it, we can see that the switch knob is connected to two small springs. You only need to push the central lever when a short circuit occurs to control the spring contraction, and this process is controlled by electromagnetic force. The magnetic unit here includes a spiral magnetic coil, a coil plunger, and a strong magnetic field generated by a spring in the event of a short circuit. Push the plunger to the central lever, and the entire process takes only 2.5 milliseconds. However, there is still a problem after the circuit is disconnected. If the current is strong enough, an arc will be generated when the circuit breaker trips, potentially damaging the components inside the MCB. Therefore, we need to install another extinguisher, which can channel the arc into it to extinguish the arc. Note that, unlike short circuits, miniature circuit breakers have another mechanism to handle current overloads. When the circuit overheats, it will trigger the bimetallic strip to bend downward, thereby pulling the central lever down. Then, with the protection of these two mechanisms, there is no need to worry about fire accidents caused by short circuits and current overloads. Like and follow for more informative 3D videos.